Alright, it's Sunday morning. I haven't done my stretching yet. My name is Josh Shadle, and we're just going to roll through some various stretches, hip openers mostly, maybe some shoulder stuff. So let's get started. Let's try to do a little bit of box breathing. So you're going to breathe in for 4 beats, hold for 4 beats, exhale for 4 beats, wait for 4 beats. Let's just do 3 rounds of that. We're going to come up into all fours, a little bit of upward dog and downward dog. Big deep breath in. Next inhale. Next inhale. Next inhale. One more time. Trying to create some pressure between my hands and my feet. Push my hips back. Push through the balls of the feet, the big toe. Get a little bit of stretch in the low back. So we're going to come up into a low lunge. Breathe in. Breathe in. Next one, raise your arms above your head. We're going to step up, switch sides. Step back with the other leg into low lunge. Breathe in. Next one, raise your hands up. Nice. Transition back through, upward dog, downward dog. This time, we're going to inhale on the move, exhale, move. So let's step up into Pigeon. This one is always a challenging one. Birds sound really nice. It's like a perfect, cool morning, 67 degrees, some moisture. Feels like spring's right around the corner. Switch sides. This side's so much tighter. It's amazing how different the two sides can be. Breathe in. Nice tall chest. I'm going to do a few more on this side. Feel free to close your eyes, tune in to the noise. Soften our shoulders. And everything's going to be all right. Let's come back up into all fours. Coming out of that slowly. And we're going to initiate the movements on the breaths. Inhale. Okay. I believe this is called thread the needle. So you're going to get on your knees and your hands. Pull your arm, push your arm through. And I want you to press your hand down into the ground. You should feel a nice stretch on the back of the shoulder. You can sit your hips back, play around with the position. Switch sides. Press down. Use the breath to expand the system. Get out of that. Just feel the changes in the shoulders. Feel much looser already. And we'll do a couple neck stretches. Both hands behind the head. Pull the head down, tuck the chin a little bit, and pull your head back into your hands and hold that. If you can, sit on your ankles or tuck your toes underneath. Two more. One more. Nice. I'm going to come up. And we're going to stretch our hamstring. So kneeling. Straighten that knee. Hinge forward, sort of thinking of pushing your hip back. Should feel a nice stretch in the hamstring. Push down into the ground. Switch sides. Nice. I'm gonna come here, butterfly, and pull my toes up. Nice tall chest. And this will be the last one we're gonna do. Just close your eyes, breathe in. Slow your breathing down. Wait a little bit longer before you inhale. Just listen. What's your body saying? Where do you feel tension or noise? See if you can soften your face, soften your shoulders, soften your knees. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for being patient with me and learning this practice and putting it all together. And I hope that you're doing well. And there's one thing I could leave you with is it's profound what a consistent, frequent stretching, mobility, yoga routine can do for you. So try to do this every day. Try to do little bits of it every single day. And my suggestion would be to see if you can start your day with this. It will make a huge difference for you. We'll catch you next time.